Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are comparing GearUp Booster versus LagoFast, two popular gaming tools that claim to fix lag and boost your online gameplay. But which one actually delivers? Let's find out. Starting with GearUp Booster, this app is built to optimize your internet connection for gaming, helping reduce ping, improve stability, and give you a smoother experience overall. On Trustpilot, it has an impressive 4.9 star rating from over 1,800 reviews, with 93% of users giving it 5 stars. Most gamers say it really helped reduce lag and made their games run smoother, so GearUp definitely has the reputation of being reliable for serious players. But now let's talk about LagoFast. This one. It promises the same things, lower ping and less lag, but its reputation isn't as strong. On Trustpilot, it sits at around 3.5 stars from about 200 reviews, and some users have complained about false promises or features that didn't work as advertised. So while it might work for some, there are a few red flags worth noting. So what's really the verdict here? Based on ratings and user feedback, GearUp Booster comes out on the top as the more trusted and effective option for reducing lag and boosting gaming performance. LagoFast has potential but might not be as reliable today. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!